And
said.
action. You gotta say it. Tell them.
Subscribe to Public Report
Official
YouTube
Shut
channel.
There are 26,000 subscribers. Watch I get him to 100k. You see me? So want to know, you see subscribe button with the right down there, so
Just
want
hit
to
it.
subscribe
Hit
and
it.
like. You see me?
Yes.
See I get him to 100k. Subscribe right now.
No. Alright. Big up on yourself and thanks. Cause them subscribe, you know.
I don't know, sometimes I rent out the place is complete. I'm just tired of this. Tired of this complete, man. Come here. I'm just tired, man. I'm tired of it.
Mikey? Mikey?
What's that about you? So I'll get picture.
Boss, we are coming up from the gate for, eh? We are coming up from the gate for. Step away from the gate, man. We are coming up from the gate for.
Where you coming
We
out?
don't understand why you are coming up from the gate. Where you come from? At 10 o'clock in the night, you not pass from the gate.
So how
That
wait?
possible?
Wait. How you coming out?
What do you mean you're coming out with a weapon? I have to protect myself. This is my property.
Them kind of people at the agency are rent the place. It just can't let them bring anybody out here. You come down here with a weapon. Look here, anyway. You go in the bus and wait for me, cause this look like a something I forget ugly. So go in the bus.
Daddy, this man look ugly.
Yes, man, you're right, man. Go on, go wait on me.
You care people come insult me in my place?
It's not your place, boss. You're just renting here.
Yes, but me have a contract. And my renting company that, as a matter of fact, the agency who rent this place is, credible. So I don't understand why you are coming to come talk.
Incredible, but they put anybody here.
What do you mean say anybody here? What you talk about?
Look here.
What's the problem?
Look here. I've been getting a lot of complaints about this place and this nice here at number 5 here. Check out all the other places there. You don't get no complaint. I hardly ever come here. People don't see me. And after they coming here because everybody is telling me that you guys are here making a lot of noise in the place.
Punse, hold on. Before you send on Punse, see, just hold on 1 second. You know this man here? Eh? This man here come now, come knock on our gate and I come talk off his mouth and I say, but we are making nice.
You need to shut up for your mouth. You talk too much.
Punse,
You know who this? You know who is this man?
Punse,
May I ask you one question?
Punse.
Babe, come on, David.
Give me white socks, never make
White socks, are you a washy or a me? You know who is this man?
I say, me no know him.
2 times now me they ask you the same question. That's why you have to keep your mouth, keep back. You talk too much. You gonna put me in a trouble? You look like you want me to get noticed. What is the problem? This man is the landlord, him responsible for the whole building. So even if somebody else in did send come,
Owner, not landlord, owner.
if he even did send one next person come to me here, so are you. You're supposed to stand up and listen what the person have to say. You jump down the people them throat like I said.
Look in his hand. Look in his hand. He come out here with daughter out here, come to talk to the man. Look in the hand. See if I know your pot that. Is that your pot cover?
I'm not want to shame him. Kind of not mean there. Listen to me.
Punse, Rita.
Listen.
I mean, I really even say
What the way the man sucker you know?
I know some stuff.
What the-
When you see when couple have problem, you don't shame me in front of the man. You're not
Yes,
supposed
man.
to do that.
But you already out here, so they shame me. I am the one who rent
But
this
I never
place.
know him.
You don't have to know who.
Oh, so
You
you
don't
want to
have
come
to
and you
know the
come up.
landlord. Somebody come
Oh,
to
so you come
here.
big and mighty now, so right now. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, the dog start bark now. He stop bark. The dog stop bark. I should have taken lick him in the head.
Punsy. Me never
Why
know
you carry
how.
this out here?
No,
You cook?
no, because me hear the bang 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 pan the gate. So when me hear bang bang bang, me come out, me go bang bang.
Yes,
If
lad.
me
You
see
think
something.
or somebody will come to rob the place?
Yes, no that. We
Yeah,
don't have
man.
no.
Boss
All right.
it. You know, say a lad for a long time, boss it. But anyway, let me tell you something.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
You need to think first before you talk. Think before you put out action. Because a problem you want to put me in a little more than come give me notice me I feel different. Look here, I want to talk to you, man. Go on inside, me soon come deal with you. Go on in.
What are we?
My boss,
I'm a talk before you go inside, apologize.
no, that me I do.
Then do it now.
So when you can tap me as just stop me as me.
See, same thing make me so want to get rid of your cause I pay talking. Why you can't say I'm sorry and go on in make me talk to the man? You just a chat. And where they say no make no sense. Apologize and go on in. And you know, hey,
My boss.
apologize and come go on in. Me soon come deal with you.
My boss. My boss.
Well, you wait for hurry up and say.
My boss, me, yo. Sorry about that, boss. Not happen again. Yes, sir.
I hope it
Me
will
never
never
know,
happen
me
again.
never know, sir, when you, sir. You understand me?
Why
I
are
say,
you shouting?
look at-
You they disturb the neighbor.
Look at the difference when you're talking to me, when you're talking to her. I see who
Look
run
here,
things.
come go on in there, so.
Go on in, man. No look good.
Inside, because me no want you hear what me I say to the man. Go on in. Come,
No look
go
good,
on.
go on in.
Don't put me in a trouble.
Give him back the weapon, the
No,
so-called
man.
weapon.
Take this and go on in. Take it. I warm up. I mean, I know me put myself in a this a problem. I know the generation
Alright.
now me come pick up. Sorry
Listen,
about it. I am so sorry.
Yes, just listen, it too much complaint. And I realize how you talk now is not you are the problem. But you need to deal with him. I get in a lot of complaints. You don't see me here. Nobody see me here come here.
No, it's my first time seeing you.
All right.
Different from when me carry the money come give out the road or anywhere, at your yard or whatever, the little rent money. Me not see you because me have no problem
But
with
I
you,
don't have
sir.
no reason to come here. Right. But anyway, may I beg you, just address that problem for me. Because if me get one more complaint, that's it. Because I'm getting too much. And I tell him it's the first and the last.
So,
all right?
what kind of complaint you get, sir?
Listen, we can't get no details. I don't want you to go say and say, but I've been getting a lot of complaints about boisterous behavior. I'm come here and see it for myself. So I beg you, please, address that problem. Because if we come back here, we're done. We're done, we go.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Okay, so have a good night.
Me sorry, you know.
Yes.
But me not gonna make you give me no notice, you know, say I me no murder running me and taking another man.
Address him. Please, I beg you.
Okay, thank
Address
you very
him.
much.
All right?
Yes, thanks for coming.
All right, have a good night.
You too. Oh? You don't answer no phone until me tell you when to answer phone. Me buy the phone and give you. So if me take back the phone from you or you talk to Sandy, give me the phone. Go on in. Right.
Make you lock me out. Listen, you know say rain a fall. And rain go fall again because the cloud heavy. And you come make me a map up this split.
What make you out here so attack? What happened to you? What happened to you? Why you out here so talk all the while? Me tell you if you map up the balcony and you out here so skin off your teeth.
So what is for now?
What do you mean what this for?
What is for? Mr. Rita, you know say you really not feel deal with me so. Because I'm there so with you every day. And you know, I don't know if you know so you have an anger problem. And me understand that and me just keep myself to, in a one zone where me not really, I try to cause no problem.
You don't know what that mean? Shut up. Anytime you hear me go, shut your mouth. I'm tired to tell you say you talk too much. What is wrong with this?
So
What
me
wrong with
can't
it?
talk, me can't
You
talk.
talk too much. Why you tell me say me have anger? Look here, me have anger problem. Eh? So what me can take me go on anger management class? Eh? Can me go on anger management class, then you have money? Me go have to pay if you go there. Carry me. Because me I get ignorant by you for the truth and the right. What you feel like?
Listen me I say. It's
Yeah,
about
me I listen. One time.
alright, you see, Me know say when we in an argument and then something there, you know, listen to your tone of your voice. You're loud for me. That's why a man come here now and I ask about
Which man?
the damn landlord come here which night there and I ask about the
You're going back on the landlord.
Listen me I say man, just talk, we can't reason. These things I get from bad to worse because me there so.
Foolishness to the chat.
No, but
because you always come here, come down in my backside, I come chat about which man I come here with your loud mouth like your pastor, they preach for a mic in a church. And when they tell you, calm down, the neighbor them they hear, them can they sleep, them are working class money, and you come here with your big bag of knives and want to blame me?
So them have it's alright. But hear me say.
Hear me, I tell lie.
No, hear me say. Hear me say no man.
You don't know if you say.
It's about time now we have a better relationship. We don't think so. Because right now, I want to go buy even one little drink and you tell me that I can't go because out the road not safe and all these things. Like through Christmas.
I can ask you one
and
question?
That,
I do all I talking. I can ask you one question?
Ask me a question.
How long since me there?
Too long.
You not even remember.
You tell me, remind me.
If I tell you, look here. You see, from the day me met you, I don't know what it happened to me that day, but it come like I said, me never in my right mind.
Poncerita.
Because from the day I met you, it looked like something is wrong with my brain.
Poncerita, remember say at church we meet
you
up.
You is a friggin'
No. Remember say when we there at church, see? And the social are going and nobody never wants to sit down beside you. I'm going to sit down beside you. And after I sit down beside you, we start talk and exchange number and we get familiar with each other. And from there, so I just say, alright, you know what, because you're a real woman. Because people just need to understand you. I mean, I try to understand you, but you don't understand yourself. Something you can calm down, man, and tone down. Look for it now, me out to start map up a place.
Yeah, Pastor, play. Careful how you talk to me. Because you start put on some disrespect on the word them way you say to me. You see, anytime you go say anything to me, think first before you talk. You need to put on some clothes on the argument them way you say to me. Why?
Yo, look for what you do now. Look for what you do.
Just take your hand for me.
Poncerita, you tell us you have an anger problem, you have to get checked out. You have to get checked out because look, I don't understand what is it about you and how you treat me. You think you treat me bad? You don't feel you treat me bad, Poncerita?
I didn't tell you to come wipe out the balcony. Why you out there so ugly? A girl you out there look? Eh?
We know a relationship together, two adults. Sometimes myself,
Mrs. Mikey. Hey, from my born, me never see a woman in a man's clothes yet.
Boy,
Yawa, he's a man or he's a mouse?
boy, let me tell you this, see? I have never seen you with a steady relationship. See? What kind of man you think you be? Because you have girl that come in and out, well, and maybe buy front. Eh? You don't have no relationship. Having a relationship takes a lot. And when you understand a woman and love a woman, for who they are on the inside, it's different. You have to understand that. You know it's a fly by day, pitch by night, somebody. No stability. You used to go here and there. A swing.
And you think you stable? You think me not say? Eh? You think me never see one time she have you out there drape you up and dash water in your face? You think me the blind? Mop up the boy. Punsy. Me. You think me did blind? Me see the whole of that.
You watch
and you
too
say
much.
he's a man? He's a man frame.
What if I want to show where you act? I'll show where you act out there, you know. I move where you act.
Show nothing.
I mean, say show
Me
nothing.
see one time she dash the water in your face.
Who's
And
that?
me see one time she grab you so and I ring your face. And dash walk up on you.
Oi, who she a call your phone?
Oh.
Somebody a call your phone. Who is this person? Where you say their name? Sandy or whosoever. Who this? Are the same somebody where did I call your phone and me tell you if you not answer? Okay, me soon deal with you. And what kind of conversation you did out here so? Well, you and that dead man different over there, so what is your problem?
Yes, it's a bull that come through the place and bull just taking time and going back. Because bull is a damn idiot. Because, you know, bull say he love trouble people and mimic and all these things. So I don't understand why you make it. See me a flung upon the place. Me just map up the place. Right? And me done map
No,
up.
you not answer my question.
Which one me fi answer?
What was the conversation you was holding with him? What did I chat about?
Me never did I say much.
You know they say
Me
much.
never say much. Because only thing me had a
So
look on
when
him.
come to you about?
Him a talk, yes, I see me a talk about, him know a chat about the fact say, him see you a box me, and I put on, throw water in my face. Punsi, you
And
have
that him
to
said
stop,
to you?
yes, you have to stop this thing.
So all my business and your business concern people over there, so?
No, but,
That's our personal life. Oh, and catch it, wait, what you say? What you say?
no, me not like it.
So,
Me not like
why
him.
you call him on your phone, see him come to you for you discuss about me and you?
Listen to me.
So everything about me and you, everybody has to
I'm
hear.
for calling him on my phone,
You
and my
see the
phone in
type
my
of
house.
dirty style them when you have.
No, but I'm for calling
So,
him.
man, just come. Me don't know if a phone you see and borrow it and call your friend. Cause me know say you and him are such a friend
Punsi.
either till una
Punsi,
whole
Rita,
conversation about we.
Punsi, listen to me. Listen to me. You need to stop. You get from bad to worse.
Change for your little dirty folly grounds because sake of you.
Mm.
Me can't in a no peace. Every minute you make me in a war. Sake of your dirty attitude them where you have. Why you not look into yourself and stop talking about me?
I'm if you look into myself and you have to punching bag. I mean, I beat up every time, you know. I get too much lick.
Oh.
It's too abusive, man.
Okay, so you a report. You is a reporter.
What do you mean?
So me you can't have no secret.
I not tell the man nothing. The man see for himself. It's like I watch on TV. Me I tell him say a movie out of act. A show where you act. Once you read it, it take time, man. You have to understand.
Well, let me tell you, you see, since as you and him are such a friend, I mean, never
Me
know.
and a friend. No. Me and a friend. Me and Bull is no friend. Bull only thing Bull do is chat.
So, how
And
come
him can't-
him take up my story, I come put it to you?
No.
Kill me dead and you call him, you know.
I'm if you call him.
The
Once
phone
a
did
Rita.
inside, but if you not borrow somebody's phone and call him, I see you seen the past going in the house and you call him. If you can discuss about me, I was so.
Once you you get from bad to worse. You know, so we go call Pastor Jones.
And you know,
Me
some people
a
call Bull out
Pastor.
in house.
We are call Bull for.
So you know, want me call him? Okay, you know,
Alright,
want to say you tell me.
go on, call Bull. Go on, call Bull. Use
And
him
you know,
up,
say,
take and map him.
anyhow, me call Bull and Bull tell me, say, you.
No, Bull, we
See
say
the
on
past
me.
going in the
No,
house.
Bull, we say on me. Just for hear more story over here. No, Bull,
A long
man.
time me know Bull and me never hear say him a liar. You see, any me go to him and he tell me, say, you say,
You can't do that.
me no want hear nothing from you.
Jesus Christ.
You're too wicked. That's why you make girl call your phone. And make sure say no come through the gate. Don't come through the gate. Sit down right there so that you come.
Punsi, just
Going back.
Punsi, just hold on, Punsi.
No. You're too old.
Punsi, just easy now, man. Me feel like a jail me there, you know. Punsi.
Ball!
What do Punsi,
Ball!
man? And then they say me. People are gonna say, Mikey, you make nice that place. Bullshit and buck you over there.
Ball! Ball!
Who is it?
Friend, your Punsinella voice, so if you come out and come hear the Punsi voice.
What you say? What one Punsi?
Bull, I want to ask you one question. Just come right here, so. That's something me ask you.
Me have pot pan fire.
Alright, just come. Come, man.
Come have to watch your pot.
Your pot now burn up. Come right here, so. Anyhow your pot burn up, me buy back where you went put in the pot and it burn up. If you just come, one talk to you.
So you can come back.
Bull, me just ask you one simple question. Why you make things look so difficult? Come right here, so.
Say police for we neighbor.
Shut up the door, because I don't want to smell what you cook.
Say police live over there, so.
Yeah, me know. You don't have to tell me I never ask you no info about nobody. You informer? Listen to me. Bull, as I stand up right here, so.
Yes, police.
I want you to tell me the truth. I go ask you one question. I don't know much question me don't ask about one main one. Me have to ask you.
Now go lie to your Punsy.
Little while when me dey come out of my house, me see you dey left from my doorway. You and my man did a talk about something. One did a talk about. And me confront him with it and he tell me, say, are you come over there to question him? Tell me the story.
Jesus Christ. Punsy.
No, tell me the story.
The
I mean,
truth
no, you're
of-
not layered, you know. Tell me the story.
Punsy, the truth where God love. I hear me here one look on ruckus like I sit and drop down and me people out in the Punsy and look, you know. And then me see him a call me in the Punsy. As me turn up here sub greed, God broke me neck on that greed tree. No, I call me and I tell me how you beat him, Punsy. Would have never come over there. You mad? Me no idiot.
That's what you talk?
Punsy.
God know?
I swear. No lie.
Do this let me see.
No, I lie, Punsy.
Alright. Me believe you. Go on and go look for your pot.
I hope
What? Just go on and go look for your pot.
Yes, Punsy.
Yeah, just go and go look.
Alright. Yes, but
Later.
she gone. Wicked boy, man.
What happened?
No. What me tell us? What me tell us? What me tell us?
I'm tired of this. Me a big man I get
Tell lie.
No, me not tell a lie. A bull.
tell us?
Me a say a bull. A bull.
You tell too much lie.
Me say a bull. Me say a bull. Me say a bull. I know me.
What me tell us? What me tell us?
I know me.
Lie, man.
I know me. Me say I know
You
me.
lie. You're too lie. You're too lie. Me I see how far you run go. And I in say you come tonight. Watch me go do with you. Watch me go do with you with this. Or you run behind go like one of the racers track. Alright. Run one. You can't go for bully and go sleep. Bully with the woman. Me go see where you go sleep tonight when we lock in door and gone in. Oh, okay, you now come back here so. Alright. Me want see where you go.
Can't believe the rubbish truck left me this morning, I know. Can't believe it. When me go there now. Go them pass here so I can pick me up.
Press along.
That's bad lucky, sir. I'm so bad lucky.
Brother Mikey, what happened?
I'm going, Sister Jenny.
I go look around now, I not see you last time I see you at church. What can I say bad luck? Yeah, what happened now?
The amount of things. This morning, I go to work. The rubbish truck left me and all these things. So, I don't know. I just have a lot of things are going on. And, I not even want to explain certain things, because there's a lot going on. Too much. But I still go on. Because I there, so I wait for the rubbish truck to come pass and come pick me up.
You can go to work.
Guys, them boy, them don't know why them drive off early this morning. And them know say, you know what I mean? I know so early them normally drive, but this morning they end up drive off so early.
I remind lady they make you can't wake up. You know,
Who that?
easy, you know. For your woman over there. What's your name? Punsy, sister. I remember her name sometimes because it's so funny. Punsy, you know?
Punsy Rita.
Punsy Rita. Somewhere along those lines.
You know Punsy Rita?
You know, yeah, I see her and her come to church, but I tell her the truth, I know. I don't feel like I say she, you know, a right person for you. You look unhappy, look how you look. You're a nice, handsome young man. You look hardworking and you don't look happy.
Well, to be honest, I'm not lie, I'm not really happy, but I try and make the best of it. You know what I mean? Because based on how certain things are run right now, you know, it comes like a God sending right as if we can have a conversation because sometimes I have to talk it out, but I can't talk about certain things, you know what I mean?
You want a woman with bright light to shine upon you. If you're like the, you know, so between me and brother Mikey, you know, some fast, right? I mean, know we are church people, I want to talk to the business, but we have more to talk. We have to talk from time to time. You know, so that woman there upstairs is 100, you know. I feel like I deserve a better woman.
You know,
You
so
have ambition also. You deserve a better woman, man. Like, you know, everybody at church feels like she mad, you know. You know, so something wrong with her. Like, sometimes she will alright, and one next moment she just chip out. Like, you know, so nothing off about her. You must realize something, man.
you see a lot, cause you know, me I feel a whole heap. I feel a whole lot of you know.
You deserve a nice woman like me, a nice church sister like me, so we have ambition and we can make life work. You see that the woman that. That's what the woman, the man, you can't walk up and down with so much baggage and expect the Lord to bless you and shine light on you. You know, you can't do that, man. You deserve a nice. Look how we look good together.
Sister Rebecca, you know, say.
Sometimes God bless you, we can't see blessing right in front of our eyes, you know.
Well, Sister Rebecca, I understand, you know. But this is because based on, you know, me go 1 year with her already. And, you know, cause you're a nice woman yourself, you know. You're a nice, very nice woman. But,
God
you
can't send me for you, you know.
Well,
but if you're too busy, you focus on when I work out for you, you might not see blessing when God send and you might gone by the time you quit, so.
Well, that's true still.
Sister Rebecca want to rebuke her. Sister Rebecca don't like her.
Alright, Sister Rebecca. You know what I'm going to do? Me really and truly I think about certain things on a higher level because me don't like how, as I said, me unhappy. And happiness is a gift. And me can't make sick of, you know, certain people, them take away your joy and thing. And I'm not that kind of person. I'm a happy person. You understand me I say?
Come to church, but you know how me nosy and stay. Me say everything, you know. And me watch her, you sit down in front of me so she can't see what I go. But me watch you like, me know you love her, but you have to understand sometimes say love come with boundaries. You see, say it now work out. Me not but no bad for you for your relationship, but last week Sunday me dream, I get one dream and me saying that me and you in a dream I get married. Yeah. And me see this dark cloud and me see dark cloud disappear off your face, me see.
Married at death, you know. Sometimes I see married in a dream at death.
No. So you're saying to me that you would marry a nice church sister like me, church sister with good personality, education, hardworking and all these things. And plus me around like an English pound. Talk to me nice, brother Mikey. What you say?
Sister Rebecca, yes, Sister Rebecca. But alright, let me go on. Because right now I'm a mind thinking, you know, trying to clear my mind.
Think about it, man. Sleep on it. Put it under your pillow and sleep on it tonight because by the time I see you at church next week Sunday, I want an answer because just like how the Lord can bless me if I come to you, you know, the Lord can bless me if I go to somebody else because if you don't want me, somebody else for a nice church brother might want me, brother Mikey, you know, man.
Sister Rebecca, alright, I'm going to say, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to think about it and I'll get back to you. Yeah,
well, take care of yourself now, man. Go over look about some video. You pray this morning?
Yes, I did.
If you always pray, you know.
Yes,
and pray for God to show you the truth that I am the one for you.
Yes,
but what take too long to another master, so think about it. I'm not pressuring you, but I really want to pray with you, but
all right, Sister Rebecca.
Take care now and continue to keep up yourself. You look nice.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you see the truck
as
soon as possible.
Yes, Sister
And
Rebecca.
stop staring at my rum.
No. Sister Rebecca, have a good evening, Sister Rebecca. Oh Lord, Punsirita, you do me this. And you run me, you beat me, so. Let's go.
Well, go on now. Well, I'm there, I go on this some work, you know.
I see, brother.
I get the place clean down because the place don't look good. Pastor live right there, so he wants to say good.
Oh, you mean, man?
Live right there, so same way.
Brother, I'm saying this morning I have to sleep over my mother yard because guess what now? Be a problem and so on. So rubbish truck left me. You don't know if I lose that work there today, you know. Because rubbish truck left me and the brother them, I don't know why them I move so early. Because the whole thing mash up, brother.
At early time, you know, you have to go up on the job early, you know. So how you left you?
Yeah, because Punsi, I go on with some madness last night, man. I have to just run off and thing and just go cool out. Brother, want your sister? You can't talk to her, my lad.
Brother, none of we can talk to Punsi, you know.
What do you mean?
Punsi mad. Mad out, right out. I don't know how you control Ponce. Tiff touring mad. When I mean mad, I mean mad. Not even 10th floor. Can't manage Ponce. Ponce mad.
Bro, no matter what me do, no matter what I try to create peace around me and Ponce, just nah work. Brother, me I cook for her. When I cook for her and carry food come, she wonder why me I cook so much food. And if I cook a little bit of food, she say, why me I cook such a little bit of food?
Me I try
and if I put no salt in it, she say she want salt. And then me put a little bit of salt, she say no salt. Brother, it's like me can't have one meeting ground with her.
So he stay with the family, and that's why we have to put him one side.
Jesus.
I'm mad.
So you can't get a talk for me?
Oh. You come like call you mad and Ponce.
What? Tell you to this.
How me figure talk to Ponce and Ponce mad with the family already and you alone we see we can control him away. And you tell me say me figure talk to her.
But brother, yo, see, I because Ponce is a nice woman, you know, man. I love Ponce, you know, man.
All I will love her.
She's nice, but when she just a chip too regular. Alright, see if she go on so one time out of the day different from go on so every time through the day.
Every time she go always go on so. Because he mad. He not even take his medication. So he can't cool down.
What do you mean? She take medication?
Tell you. When he take his medication, he will calm with you.
Look like I want wrong zone.
I look like he not no medication, then you have to go check out his backgrounds and say if I done the medication done. I good at that, you know.
Let's go talk to her for me, man.
No, yeah, me tell her say yeah.
So when last you see her?
Who? A glimpse, her, you know. Just glimpse. And him never change a word from when glimpse her.
So you know sound good.
So I don't know what you are going to do. Family can't do nothing. His mother can't do nothing. Yeah.
I know. You're alright.
You are go on. Respect you. Say if my medication done.
Yeah, I have to go check for that.
You
let me love Ponce, you know, that's her problem.
Yeah, say all I will love Ponce.
Because it's when she's nice, brother, she come around heavy.
When he take his medication, right now my feel say I done the medication done. So here what you do? Check him out. I go and do some work because night I come down, I don't know anything.
Alright, bye-bye.
So do him maths.
Yeah man, respect. Yes sir.
I got the medication, I said done, check it out.
A real talk. Alright. But yo, if you can, do me a favor. Pass by and just have a little word with her. A long time when you talk to you, maybe that's all mother to you know. Because sometimes when people go through certain things and they're by themselves, then we go through certain meds. Because nobody don't talk to her about me.
Me have to talk to her. Don't worry yourself.
Give her a talk. Yes sir.
You give her a talk.
Alright, respect it up. Alright,
I remember say check out the medication.
Yeah, check it out man. Because I love her. I love my Ponce later.
All I will love her.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pastor Jones.
How you doing, brother Mikey?
Pastor Jones, it's good to see you, you know, man.
Yeah, man, good to see you also,
I haven't seen you in a while, you know.
Yeah, man, so it's a blessing, man. So what's really going on?
My Pastor Jones, there's a lot of things going on, to be honest with you. Remember that is you is the one that gave me the idea, said me to stick to Ponce and thing, you know. And based on your advice, you know, me take it. But Pastor Jones are living in a agony. Agony. The woman come like say she can't calm down. But I know you know about this before, Pastor Jones?
Well, to be honest with you, I know her on a social level, but as it pertains to living with her and know her like that, I don't know everything about her. So that's the honest truth. So I don't know.
Pastor Jones, I tell you, I need
some. But hold on. What kind of real trouble she had? Because I mean, I was really looking forward to do no wedding, you know.
Wedding? I don't think, well, I'm not saying that wedding is not a possibility, you know. But based on how she's acting now, she's kind of running me away from her. Because to be honest, Pastor, I run from the yard based on how she had treated me. I have to be honest with you, because you're a man of God. I'm just say, you know, you can give me the right advice because you're getting the spiritual connection, right?
All right, so here's what. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. If you start seeing some form of red flag from now, you have to take it as such. If she really show you who she be, you better believe her. Because as a man of God, I wouldn't want to see both of you get married and then I'm thinking about divorce, you know, because I don't really believe in divorce. You know what I say? So, if it's a case where you both can probably get some counseling first and see if it's something that you can live with, then well, you can make it work. But if it's something that you can't live with, you just have to just let it be.
Pastor Jones, you see the thing is this, I love her when she's nice. You understand? But is the other side I can't take. But the problem is the other side flipping in too much, too regular. For one day, it's driving me crazy.
Well, that side,
Pastor Jones,
that side also is very important, you know. And if that side is not a good side, it won't be a happy home.
Pastor Jones?
So if as me say, get little counseling first. I mean, you can come to me for the counseling now. As a man of God, I'm not only a man of the cloth, you know. I'm also a licensed counselor, so I can counsel both of you. But as me say, you have to trust your own instinct, and if you're seeing signs of that she's that type of person, well, you just have to walk away.
Pastor Jones, you're violent, Pastor Jones. And I gotta be honest with you, I can't take it.
Well.
Right now, she try to raise her hand at me, and me know, say me raise my hand at her.
No. I don't encourage that.
Yes,
don't
Pastor.
encourage that.
And
So here's what. Here's what. I'm going to tell you. I don't believe in violence. Whether it be coming from her or you, I don't believe in it. So
agony?
No, end it. Because I wouldn't want to know that you kill her or she kill you.
But you can't talk to her from my boss, because she will look for me, and that's my problem. Because
all right, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. I know she will listen to me.
When she come to church?
Yes, I'm going to talk to her and see if all right, so let me ask you, what you want me to talk to her about? The beating, or you want me to tell her to leave you alone? Which one?
I want to, I wish, because I don't really want she's too violent, and if that can fix, then we can work on anything else. But me know you're a man of God, and you can pray and ask God for bless her. Because God is still in the miracle working business.
All right, I'll be praying for both of you.
Yes,
and I'll definitely talk to her.
Pass by the house, Pass by the house and just check her and have a talk with her, because she's...
All right, but don't worry yourself. I have to run because I have a meeting.
All right, Pastor, because, I mean, they never run well anyway me take it.
Yeah, man, and if you raise your hand, if she raise her hand at you, run. Don't lick her back.
Well, one last thing, Pastor. You see, I've been working on the rubbish truck, and I'm work out because the man, them have a negative vibe towards me and all these things.
Maybe why them have a negative vibes towards you is because maybe how you dress up and a garbage truck can work on.
I drive a truck, boss. Drive a truck. And then them fight me up because them say me if I go lift up empty barrel and all them something there, and they want to take turns.
Yeah, but
I mean, I stand the turns. I want the man them give me the work and all this something, but I don't know.
Yeah, but maybe you have to dress down a little bit and to fit the part, because if you dress up like this and them looking like a croft, it can be very troublesome.
I understand.
Yeah, man. All right, so I have to run and take care again. I'll be praying for you.
Please swing by the house.
Yeah, man, definitely.
What's that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jacob.
Good.
What one?
Me there. So me I come give you a check.
I want to know. Where you come out again?
I check me come give you a check.
Every time you come down, you start asking for things. One time you tell like your mother in hospital, and next time you tell how your picnic them, and me have to give you money for do this and do that. What is your problem? And where you come out?
You give me money to do things.
Look how much time you come to me for money for give you this and give that if towards your picnic and 1%. Where your problem?
You know something if you reach us up.
So where you reach for?
Mikey, your man Mikey, but
what
me reach us up. Him but me reach us, and me if you reach us up, come tell us me now come here so.
Why him say? He give you a message to give me, why he couldn't call me phone?
Me don't know about that the part there. He come link me. A hard work me I do and he come check me so me come discuss about you. What you mean for what?
Discuss about me?
Yeah.
I could have want to me, so.
You say you now move right. You now move right.
Oh, me sick up your sorrow.
Goodly.
So why say? What is the problem? I want to hear.
You have to respect Mikey, you know. Because Mikey check for you. And I first man that for you. So you have to check for Mikey and respect Mikey.
A PMP if you come to me, I could have worked as this.
Pay me? No, sir. And a PMP me.
You see, you know.
You just send me.
Anytime people give you money and tell you any little thing, you can use. Let me tell you something. You see, if you want add on or you want take off, No come to me with your foolishness about Mikey this and Mikey that and Mikey say whatever. Me no want hear nothing from you and Mikey. You can't tell me who me fit there with. But first
Mikey a
relationship.
good man for you. You have to check for him. You don't have to go on like you know
like
check
you
for
and Mikey a friend.
Yeah, right.
So true you and him a friend now. You take news from him if you come give me tell Mikey if you come talk to me himself. Anyway in there, tell him if you come see me himself. Why am I send news to me?
You tell him.
Why have to give my brother a message she give me?
I don't know. He say he don't want to come to you because he feel so obsessed and things. So what go on?
Okay, so like when you afraid, if you tell me any little thing, I open me and him. Oh, he might go tell you if you come beg me for him. Not for that bother go at that party.
You're alright, you know.
So
yeah,
if you
Mikey,
want a little,
right.
are you might go tell if come to me if beg for him, for me give him little.
Remember, say Mikey are your last chance that you know. So you have to love him and care for Mikey.
And that thing
Remember,
tell me.
Your brother tell her that.
Mikey is not the only man on earth. How will you get that from?
I'm not the only man, but he care for you and he check for you. So you have to look out for him.
So my last chance to me. You know what? But find yourself a woman and mind your own business and come out of people's relationship. You're too chore. Go on, which part tell you go?
You're sick.
You're soon with me sick. Go on, where you go?
You come back.
What means say me come back?
You finally, how much do you know you got?
Remember saying me alone run, you know? That means you're afraid of her too, you understand my pain, you can feel my pain.
I never run, me did I run.
How are you gonna do?
I'm a pat, me come check pan. Oh, but you me run from your woman. Oh, I'm team my youth. Come check pan my pot.
Right. Conscience, only conscience will set you free, yeah? How you me say general, see? Bull.
Hey.
You see her friend here now? You had a comic.
See who?
Ponce Rita, man. It's a Ponce Rita. I come check Ponce Rita, I'm gonna see her. You don't see her no time today at all?
No. Nope. Not at all.
I don't hear no conversation, don't like no argument or nothing like that.
Me's not no watchman in a big man.
Brother, just cool man.
Like it's a watchman thing, you come set me pan and ask me if me hear no conversation. Look here, no man.
Brother, as if you hear him look like a rat. Always out now, in I open and look for information and all these things.
Well, look here, no man.
So you don't see her today then?
No, me no see her.
So,
me have selective hearing, me only hear when me want hear.
So,
and me have selective seeing, me only see when me want see.
Bull, me know so me not close, you know, because all I do is try to, you know what I mean, just laugh off of me or try to create some scene when me feel like a mad somebody and all these things. Ponce Rita is a nice man, you know. I just you need to get to know Ponce Rita.
Me?
What you mean?
I don't need to get to know your woman.
I mean, are your
neighbor?
Your
woman is, and that is how it is going to stay. Near but far.
All right. So, the long and short of the situation is, you know see her from there? Are you see her yesterday?
Like, me need to tell this man here again. I don't see the woman who put on your clothes on you will send you out this morning, sir. As somebody do have to tell you? Okay, because I don't know who just up in a big old bright pink thing. With rainbow upon it.
What do you mean rainbow? This is not pink. This is peach. And this is something my mother give me. A nice little shirt. You understand me I say? You know what about my dressing and fashion. See? You don't understand fashion, that's obviously the case.
You're damn right.
This is what I say. Whole day yesterday, you see Ponce Rita, and today I see her. Because I forward today and I not see her, I wonder where she could have gone. I know say Fio knows always in a people business. I know you know where she gone. I know you know what time she gone. If she gone, something far. You understand me I say? So Bull, just be honest and talk to me. What time you say Ponce Rita left for you today?
really take me for a piece of informer, you know, man.
I'm not informer, but
But it's most informing you take me for. Look here now, I don't know nothing about Poncerita business because when time she left here after 3 yesterday, she come back in after 6. And then when time she left here this morning 5 o'clock, she went out and she don't come back yet. So I don't know nothing about her business.
give thanks, boss.
Wait.
I tell them, man, I know say know everything, you know. Me know say know everything, but that's alright, that's fine. You know what I
Hey,
mean?
me never say nothing, you know.
No, never. It's alright. Me will take it away
Me
then.
don't know nothing about no business.
That's fine, boy. That's fine, boy. That is your thing. You know what I mean? Always bucking into people's business. That's fine.
Sure. So now this upon Sirita you ask about. Hey, look here, now, man. I go check for my
So
pot.
where you go?
My pot a call me. My pot.
Po. I'm going to go down here.
Come right here, sir.
No, what are you saying?
Stand up right here, so me no want nobody stand up behind me or beside me and talk to me. I want to look in your face.
Stand up and look into my face.
Hey! Woo! Help me, Father. Where you coming from? Talk to me. Where you come from?
Poncerita, your only concern is where I'm coming from. You're not concerned about what is going wrong? Only thing you're doing is trying to stick a knife in my side at all times. You not apologize for what you do downstairs?
Me a stick knife in your side.
You not apologize to me?
For what?
For what you do
For your
downstairs?
left and gone about your business so much it is. I wish you know if you apologize. You leave, you look like you don't know your yard. You leave and gone for how much it is. And just a come back. So your woman give you another man shirt to put on.
What you talking about?
This look like you go sleep on one woman yard and she no have no clothes to give you. So she give you her man shirt to put on.
And my mother give me that shirt here. My mother.
If I show it again, do so. That's why I believe you. And a matter of fact, me kinda not believe you, but the reason why I would say me believe you is because your mother travel. And she always carry on some whole heap of man shirt and woman this and man that and proper underpants. Make me believe you say your mother you get that from. And me go call your mother and ask her to prove it. Me want to confirm me what is your problem when you look at me suffer like me not fit do it.
Poncerita, why you always so
Don't call out my
angry?
name.
But why you always so angry at me? What me do you? What is the problem between the two of us? You may need an apology from you.
I could have walked.
What you mean so what can I say? You beat me like say me you pick me. What kind of style that? Poncerita, this is me love you. For you, for who you are. From the first day me meet you up until now, me have a connection. And me can't cut it off for some. You know, so me go to Pastor Jones. Me go to Pastor Jones. And it's like me I said to the man, say, if you can, just pray for we as a couple. And you not look into them something there. Even one day, just give me a break, no?
You go to Pastor Jones. Why you never go to Pastor Brown? Him is a more God-fearing man. If you never know, Pastor Jones a look me and he have his wife. So that the kind of man there, me no want him pray for me. So you can make him pray for you. Some pastor, you know make them put their hands on you, especially in your head, because they're full of spell and a curse them a little upon you. Me no want you to tell me nothing about Pastor Jones because Pastor Jones are looking all of the people them in the church. We already have them man.
Nice. So it's a Pastor Jones.
Pastor Jones, I look at the whole of we church members
you
as
matter.
women
You-
in the church and the whole of we have women. But me tell him plain and straight, say, not because you see me and my man in a certain contention and confusion and frustration. And because uno in here they watch me and they chat you and they call up with name.
So
That's why
Poncerita.
me and him can't agree say because uno love people business in here too much. So guess what? Him now, okay, sister, don't tell your boyfriend about me. I am so sorry, it was a mistake. Mistake, me backside to beg me front. Me have to make him know plain and straight. Say, listen to me, even though me and my man in a problem, me no want you, sir. Oh, sorry, don't tell your boyfriend about me because me know you not married yet. Me say, listen, see then now, you start chat about married now and me not ready yet. So what is your problem? Okay, please, whatever I said to you, do not say it, don't mention it.
That Pastor Jones of it.
And when you're done, you're making lay hand in your head and pray
No,
for your body.
no.
Why do to you?
We just talk.
Talk about what and who?
I think that it was a good thing for go because we want to work out the couple relationship that we have.
But
so
look
if
on Pastor Brown. You don't know Pastor Brown. His first name is Richard.
No.
But the church member them now go just say, hello, Pastor Richard Brown. We just say, Brother Brown or Pastor Brown or Bishop Brown.
I not really go to church regular like you know. And since me start there with you, why we start go church?
I don't know how he have might the preach from pulpit. I don't want him resting in my head. And the next time you go to him, me and you go in a big problem. Because me and you can kneel down at our bedside and pray to God about few business and few situation. God have all of the solution them few problem them. So why you have to go to somebody go call up me name?
Conservator, you got to change yourself. You can calm down. You can't stop being so aggressive.
Stop calling up my name to people.
Me not call up him to nobody. Me just want somebody to talk to.
Come to me, come talk
come
to me.
Come to you, come talk.
Why you not like? Why you not talk to me about it?
Yeah, because the first thing you do is you have to build this and that. Your fist, you're just so violent. That's all you want to do. Me I see your brother, I talk to your brother too. And your brother say, nah, come around here. Your brother say, nah, talk to you because of where you stay.
Oh, me stay?
Yes. I see your brother say.
You see same thing what me tell you?
What you mean same thing?
You can use to me brother.
Me not can use, me just tell him say,
we had a conversation about me to my brother. Anything about me and you for discuss, you're not supposed to go to nobody. You go to pastor, you go to my brother. Who else left for you go to? Go on a police station, go report him and then come lock me up. You over there so belongs to me.
Listen.
You are for me and nobody else and nobody
no,
can get from me.
It's
a relationship over when me say it over. Now when you and your Pastor Jones and your whosoever you go to and my brother and me start this a relationship and me billion and me and any. So we not no left for left.
So how we going to make it work for me betterment than me? Me need respect to you know.
Respect.
You have to respect me.
When you start work and every pay money.
So me not work?
Yeah, work. But them they work their foolishness. And some change you come give me an idiot work them there. You need to do bigger work to get bigger money. You do small work, you just come like gambling. You do big work, you get big money. You do small work, you get small money.
Just stop now, stop. I want a nice relationship.
You talk over me?
No, I don't talk more of it.
You not listen to me?
Yeah, listen.
You think say you see how easy me in so I talk to you? You think say you go and you come back and tell me say your mama you did them take it slightly? I mean, they act so soft and easy. I can't try to calm me nerve and try to humble. But don't think take it slightly. Me serious and me take everything serious and everything me put to meaning. Because you can't tell me say your mama when your girl yard.
Listen man,
you understand me?
You know me already.
Careful how you talk to me. Not because you know so long you talk to me. And me dey on one nice little smooth voice I talk to you and me now worry. Hey, let me tell you.
Already?
Look here.
Conservator, yo, listen, me nah go deal with this now. Me nah go deal with this. Conservator means not a child.
When me a talk, not talk. I don't care if you're a big man, old man, young man, great old man. I don't care which man. Me a talk to you. If you is a man, act like a man.
Pussy coat. Man, stop moving, man. Whatever, pussy coat. We will do a white shot.
Okay.
Until then, pussy stay inside. Sir! You ready? Look for the man now. Ready now? Until then. Sir, sometimes
Alright, okay, hold it up in my hand.
You can throw it on the bag. Yes, you can throw it on the bag again. Don't be attacked during the conversation.
Yeah, so.
No, what I done?
Yo, back at the flow with the.
No.
Back at the flow. Ready.
So, ready, put water in the face. Pussy.
And you think that you?
Yes, you have to stop this thing.
So all my business and your business concern people over there, so?
Nobody.
That are with personal life. Oh, you catch it based on the thing. What you say?
Yeah, personal, but you had for me and me.
You're freaking
Ready again. Go over your personal. Come on, get set.
Can't be a cuss you until I look like I hit.
I got my get licked.
You know, so you go off a cuss your ball.
agony. The girl, the woman come like say she can't calm down. Come on, no, you know about this before, Pastor Jones?
Rough. Can't we just say that, so I'm laughing. Ready? Red flag from now, you have to take it as such. If somebody show you who them really be,
You believe them? Man, give me the words them for me. Why, rough?
That me I tell him so well, if somebody show you who them really
Someone.
Make it
Make it happen that.
Right. I'm mad.
So you can't get attack for me?
Oh. You come like call you mad and pussy. You want pussy kill me?
Well, I love that.
But you must mad and pussy.
Again,
You kill me.
Again. Hold on. I post you come like a human.
But you mad and pussy. Yeah.
Ready? Action, go again.
Yeah, what me I say like your mad and pussy.
So, you have to go step in back and say this because they already call this is a genie. And you got Sister Rebecca. Yeah? Right, that's not good. Right, no, that's not.
Same place.
Yeah, so good, Hey, just two step in and say, well, go on, let's say bad lucky. You know what I mean?
When we get
Come on,
one
ready.
shot, when pull it up on the top. When you get one clean shot. Here.
Hmm?
When you get one clean shot, when pull it up on the top.
No, man.
You good?
Yes, so good, that's perfect.
Alright.
I want the iron.
Me pum pum my one.
Oh.
I hear me higher from with you, you know. You have to do it, So no.
Okay. You're wrong. The bossy.
Yeah, okay, come.
And where you see that coming from? Aki? Alright, we should have seen that fast, the boss. Yes, you done seen sir.
Call me, and I tell me how you beat him, Punsi would have never come over there. You're mad. Me no idiot.
That's what you are.
Punsi.
See, so make me say.
God love, God know. No, like.
Just be a laugh, man. Just be a laugh.
I'm me a chatting character, you know. I'm him. Me a chatting a character. I'm Javi. The first time. Come. Ready? God know?
I swear to God.
Do this, make me say.
No lie, Punsi.
Just me. But just him bad and me just yes, I swear. But a freak. No, wait. The bad picture. Wait. That's it. Which are you somebody there? Yes, sir.
Action.
I believe you. Go on in. Go look on your part. Yeah, just go and go look. Me not wrong.
Yo. Wait a minute. Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. But I bought over there. Candy just walk with.
No walk with you.
Ball out again.
Ready?
Me dead. Hold on.
Ready?
Hold on. I'm going to catch them focus properly.
Tell me to look like me, I look for him like him.
Yeah. Ready?